Just see here. This is a real incident. Okay, what happened in one of my friend's company. He's HR working for a very big organization. Okay, big organization as a 600 employee organization, and that too it's a mid scale, not like a bada MNC type. And just observe what's happening here. Okay, they opened for one Java developer position, one Java developer, and this is a Naukri screenshot. In Naukri, they opened only one position for Java developer. 36,000 people applied for this. Now you can imagine, when 36,000 people are applying for one position, how much chances are there of getting results here? Okay. On top of that, just see here. Okay, so Pela, this itself is a mystery. You need to cross so many people in order to get even an interview call. Okay. Further, let me tell you, Naukri has developed it in such a manner that all these 36,000 people are not going to be available even for HR, even if they want to reach out to everybody. So you have doubt, like we are applying, we are not getting called because the numbers behind the screen is huge and it's not practical for HR to deal with this. Now 36,000, and you know, this is how the filter looks like. So if you are a HR in the company, you see 36,000, they provide pagination maximum of 160. When you do this download of all the members, only 160 can be downloaded. And when the numbers are so big, it is 229 pages. And you are just one entry who applied for this position. I want you to think practically, is there any chance really? 1 in 36,000. Know the truth. Okay, I don't want you to discourage you, but I want you to face the truth so that we can solve this problem. The first step to solve the problem is knowing that there is a problem, and this is a very big problem. You are, yes, applying on all the job portals on a daily basis, but behind the screen, the market is messed up. So just apply is not going to work. Okay. And you know, further, what is the problem? You might say like, no, HR is very good. They will somehow navigate. Arey, kitna navigate karenge? 5 pages, 10 pages. In that, they will download the people and then try to call. But you know what? Naukri has done one more manipulation here. Okay, be along with me. Be along with me. Everything is very critical. Naukri did one more manipulation here. Okay, when you try to access any person's contact details, they don't show it by default. Okay, even if you're downloading the report, in the report, they are providing these kind of links. If you want to see the candidate email ID and contact number, one by one, it has to be clicked. Nothing but just imagine, life of HR is hell by using this simple thing. Even if downloading 160 people, okay, they have to one by one click on every contact details to. Do you think really HR is going to do that? वो बेचारे क्या करेंगे? 10 maximum, like 100 people, 200 people they might call. From that, if somebody really matches, because they just have one position, and rest of the 36,000, almost 36,500 people might not even get touched. Okay. Now, there are some paid options of Naukri. Wahan pe they might give them bulk download, bulk content, but now they charge it up. We don't know which companies use it and which don't. On top of that, then Naukri is providing additional filters. Okay, find only relevant profiles, then where the skill is matching, then designation should be matching. So thoda filtering karke. Now then Naukri has integrated this AI recommendation. Out of 36,000, AI is only suggesting 17,000. Remaining profiles will not even be shown. Okay, next there is another filter in Naukri ke bhai, video profile attached. Like out of 36,000, only 722 people have done video profile attached. Nothing but taking a phone and attaching your, like, hey, I'm this, introducing yourself. There is a filter. If you do that, if HR chooses this, at least just looking at what you're saying, they might give you a call. So you need to even maybe do these kind of tricks at your side. Okay? And then there are many other filters like keywords, having the keywords. Then based upon your location, they will search ke kidhar ke kya kya hai, based upon experience, and then based upon your notice period. And these are multiple other factors by which they apply those filters. From 36,000, they try to narrow down. and whatever they get, they run through it, and then they start maybe calling some of them. Why? Because for everyone, they have to manually click one by one, show contact details, and it is a pretty painful activity for HR. So do you really understand the problem? Okay, only by applying, this is the mess which is there behind the screen. Do you really see, okay, anything is really going to work out in this kind of a messy situation, right? And you might be trying since many weeks now, months now, not sure. Till the time these numbers change, we don't know, okay? And that's a big problem. That's a real big problem. Okay, first of all, if you are able to understand the problem here, okay, just confirm it in the chat. If you are able to clearly understand ki bhai, when you apply, the mess which is created behind the screen, and do you really see kitna chance hai? I don't want you to ask other people, I am applying, I am not getting called, because this could be the reason. What is your chance? What do you think? Just comment one liner about your understanding on this. This is a real situation. This is a problem. Okay, if you can understand this, yes, many people are saying yes, because if you don't understand, nothing is going to work out. You keep just applying and still the results will be the same because you don't want to change. The problem is understanding. Okay, chalo abhi ek ek karke solutions pe chalte hain. Okay, otherwise, yeah, knowing the problem is the step number one. Now, how do we solve this? How do we really solve this? Okay, guys, everybody focus. Okay, focus. Now, problem is known. Thank you for confirming, all the members on YouTube, all the members on Zoom. Thanks for confirming कि problem to sink in हो गया. When you are part of 36,000 members, anything, and that to one by one clicking, it's not going to work out. So the conclusion here is only applying to n number of companies, okay, chances are very less. That's it. You need to be aware of this. It's very less. Now comes the question, how do you